Hidden behind extraordinary security lies one of Pakistan's most protected manufacturing facilities.
Morning perimeter check. Approaching Sector 4. Everything looks clear.
Check the pressure levels on line 3, Rafat. We have a slight deviation.
Right away, sir. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Every person entering this facility is carefully verified before production begins. We need to adjust the output targets for the next shift.
I'm updating the schedule now, confirming the changes.
Every banknote begins with carefully selected high-quality cotton fibers. Gentle processing preserves the natural strength of every cotton fiber. Refining strengthens every fiber before the paper is ever formed. Every production batch is stabilized before hidden security features are added. Security mixing begins. The finished security pulp now enters one of the most critical stages of currency production. Paper formation begins. The watermark becomes part of the paper itself, not something printed on its surface. Controlled drying gives the paper its final strength and stability. After inspection, the finished security paper is prepared for precision cutting. Stable environmental conditions are essential before security printing can begin. The first printing stage creates the intricate background patterns that are extremely difficult to reproduce. Every sheet is inspected instantly before the next printing stage begins. Intaglio printing creates the raised texture that people can actually feel. The first sheet enters the intaglio press. The intaglio is perfect.
Alignment and color registration passed.
Moving on to the next station.
Every printed sheet is examined with microscopic precision before continuing.
Hundreds of perfectly identical banknotes emerge from every production sheet. Individual notes continue toward automated counting. The calibration is complete. Load the first batch of security sheets. Initiating the production run for the new 1000 notes. Automated inspection guarantees consistent quality throughout production. Approved sheets enter the drying system. Ensure the pressure is at maximum tolerance. Checking the laser alignment now. Precision is critical. Every banknote receives its own unique identity before leaving the production line. Precision cutting transforms printed sheets into individual legal tender. Individual notes proceed toward automated counting. Every microscopic detail is engineered to make counterfeiting extraordinarily difficult. AI inspection of the 5,000 rupee sheets begins. Intaglio printing creates the distinctive raised texture that genuine banknotes are known for. The texture is perfect here. Let's send it to numbering. Precision cutting begins transforming the printed sheets into individual banknotes. Automation guarantees that every bundle contains the exact number of banknotes. Dimensions verified. Alignment confirmed. Approved. Before distribution, every denomination undergoes one final series of scientific authentication tests. Connection, mechanical durability testing begins. Every shipment is delivered under strict security, directly to the nation's central banking system. Secure unloading begins.
The demand in the northern regions is up 15%.
Do we have the inventory in reserve?
Yes, but we need to reroute the Peshawar shipment.
Pallets retrieved. Sorting for Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, Peshawar, Quetta, Faisalabad next. Transport vehicles prepared for regional distribution. From the Central Reserve, Pakistan's currency travels safely across every region of the country. Connection. Commercial banks receive the shipments. Behind every genuine banknote stands the dedication of countless skilled professionals.